question is question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground. First is the angle of elevation. Now what is the angle of elevation? When our head is up, we want to see something, the object which is above the height of the object where we are standing. It means when our head is up, then there is a line of sight. So according to the height of R, we make a horizontal line. So the angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight, between the horizontal line and the line of sight, here is the angle. So this is the angle of elevation. When our head is up, we want to see something, then there is angle of elevation. Now the angle of elevation of top of the tower from a point on the ground. Suppose here is a point on the ground. This is the point on the ground from the top of a tower. Let us suppose this is the tower. From the top of a tower, and here is a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. This point is the foot of the tower. A, B is the tower. B point is the foot of the tower. So the distance which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. So this distance is 30 meters. A point on the ground and the foot of the tower, this distance is equal to 30 meters. 30 meters away from the foot of the tower and is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation is here 30 degree. So this angle is equal to 30 degree. Because we are here at the on the position, on the C position we are here. So from the point C we are standing here. We want to see something, and that object is at point A. So there is angle of elevation, and this angle is 30 degree, and the distance from the foot of the tower to the point is 30 meters. So these two conditions are given to us. Now which condition we want to find out? Find the height of the tower. Height of the tower, it means AB we want to find out. We want to find out which value? AB. AB length we want to find out, or we can say that the height of the tower we want to find out. Okay. Now which condition? If this is the angle, so side opposite to this angle will be perpendicular. It means in this case perpendicular we want to find out, and this side is the base. Now in this question base is given to us, perpendicular we want to find out. Now PBP, HHB, relation between perpendicular and base. Perpendicular and base, this is the relation, and we know that perpendicular divided by base is equal to tangent theta. Now what is the value of theta? Theta is equal to 30 degree. So this is equal to tangent 30 degree. Perpendicular is AB divided by base is equal to 30. And what is the value of tangent 30 from the table? Again, value is equal to 1 divided by root 3. When we take 30 to right hand side, then we obtain AB is equal to 30 divided by root 3. Again we want to simplify this term. Why? Because here denominator is it, this denominator has square root, and we always simplify this term by this term. Means we want to multiply and divide by root 3. So we obtain 30 times of root 3, and root 3 into root 3 is 3, 3, 10. So this length is equal to 10 times of root 3. So AB is equal to 10 times of root 3, and this is the height of the tower, which the value which we want to find out, and here unit is in meter. So height of the tower is 10 times of root 3, and this is the required value.